Hi, Chris Day with Precision, and I am in charge of field operations and estimating. I take care of probably 99% of the proposals coming in and out of the office, work directly with customers to gather information on their tower, and I also work with our field members out in the field, just anything that comes up, situational things, any sort of field questions, work directly with them as much as I can. When I'm not at work, I like to get out and do some stuff around my property, clean up around there. It's always something minor to do. Go fishing sometimes, take the boat out, and work on my truck. One of the things I really enjoy about working here is the team, the camaraderie that we have. We all work together, we all get along, discuss options. It's not just a single sole person that is driving the team, it's the team coming up with it. A typical day for me is a lot of answering phone calls. There's always something going on in the field. Someone's got a question, someone has a need. So there's a lot of phone calls, but a lot of it is just working on a proposal, finding out what the next step is for the customer, helping them decide which route they want to go. So it's a mixture of field work and proposals. The culture and team environment here at Precision is really like almost family. Like I'm related to one, but majority of them, it's almost like working with your brothers and sisters. You get to really get to know them. We're all friends here. We joke and talk about college teams, and so it's really good natured, positive attitudes, willing to help out from everyone here. Precision really supports the innovation and quality within the team by giving us free range to ask questions, try things, go a different direction than average. We don't have just a set, this is all you're specifically doing. We're able to branch out, kind of bring up other options, bring up ideas, and it's really taken to heart by the team. It's not just a passing discussion, it's actually thought about. It really helps expand your confidence here to reach out and ask better questions or come up with a different solution. In the coming couple of months and for the remainder of the year, I'm really looking forward to the Montana projects kicking off, actually realizing all the work we've put in over the last couple of years, seeing them actually take off and start becoming the project is a really exciting point, ready to see how it turns out. And then of course our tower asset management, that's something we've been working on for the past year and a half, and watching it grow as we've been developing it, and actually hopefully this next year soon, seeing it take off, rolling into our inspection process and rolling out to the customers is a really exciting time for us.